Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to this Friday morning, January 26th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. Amazing that first month of the year is almost over. Intel, horrible results last night. They're down 10%, which is having a drag on the NQ, as you can see. Don't forget ES and righty inside days, so we come out of it, you go with it, and monitor for continuation or lack of. If we come out of it to the upside, obviously the target is the all-time high. Come out of it to the downside, you'd be putting the daily officially back to balance, unless you want to call it a two-day balance now, and then we see how we react at the base of the price spike from Tuesday. NQ just hovering around below value. A lot of their overnights below yesterday's regular trading hours. Remember, they never filled the gap by like 3 points. Overnight, they've been below it by a lot. They got look at how they got down right to a 10-wide point of control and above an afternoon pullback from the 23rd. So we'll see if they do finally fill this gap. They're in a two-day balance for me, because it wasn't firmly an inside day. So if they take that out, the daily would probably go down for me. Not probably, the daily would go down for me in NQ. Righty, again, they went out yesterday with a 9-wide point of control and afternoon rally. No, they didn't have the afternoon rally high when M rallied. Right now they're above their POC. And again, they are in a 4-day balance. They never came out of balance to fill the weekly gap. That's pretty impressive so far. Think about it. They have a weekly gap, and they've attempted to go trend down on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but never filled the gap. What doesn't happen is as important as what does happen at sometimes. Keep that in mind. So if they come out of this balance to the upside, that's a very nice hold. If they come out of the inside day to the downside, well then what I just said goes out the window, because most likely we fill the gap. So very little interesting scenario for righty this morning. We'll recap all of these charts tonight. As far as the game plan, again, right now where our overnight high is, if it stays there, that's a good risk reward short, and you use the day's high as you're out. Okay? As far as a long, not seeing any at this level. If we were to push down, again, risk reward long against the overnight low, and then out below yesterday's low, because then you'd have the inside day down, just like you'd have the inside day up if you take out yesterday's high. Inside of here, put your hard hats on, no trade, lot of chop. And then quickly on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily for now. So again, we are one time framing up 6 days. Doesn't seem like it, right? But inside days do not stop one-time framing. So even though the volume, tempo, everything has been slowed, we're still one-time framing up for 6 days. So again, if we come out of it to the upside, maybe we get more energy. All remains to be seen. Good luck trading today. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.